From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon. I'm student meteorologist Patrick Dela Rosa with your Thursday afternoon forecast. Taking a live look right now at Beaver Stadium, we notice that we have mostly cloudy skies across the State College area. Right now, our temperature in State College is 28 degrees. It feels like 17 degrees. It's a very cold afternoon today. The dew point is only 12 degrees and the visibility 10 miles per hour. The winds are coming from the north-northwest at 14 miles per hour. So your weather headlines for today are that we're going to have some scattered sprinkles today, maybe some scattered snow showers like we did a little bit earlier this morning. And then we're going to remain seasonably chilly today and tomorrow. And then after that, we're going to expect a rain threat on Friday night, and that's going to go into Saturday morning. It's going to dump a pretty good amount of rain for the eastern parts of the Commonwealth. So the temperatures across the Commonwealth right now are generally in the upper 20s to the mid 30s, warmer as you go to the southeast, cooler as you go to the northwest. And your wind speeds right now across the Commonwealth are generally from 10 to 20 miles per hour. Once again, less in the north and western portions of the state, and then more windy as you get towards the southeastern portions of the state near Philly and Allentown, where it's a little bit more gusty down there. So the radar does not really show anything much right now. It's pretty calm across the entire state, although we notice that we do have this thin band of lake effect snow showers that's currently dying out. As I was walking in this morning, there was a little bit of flurries that came from the sky, so yeah, this is dissipating really soon. And then as we notice across the eastern portion of the country, we notice that in Minneapolis, we have a little bit of snow. And then in Oklahoma, there's another storm system brewing down there. These two are going to phase together this weekend and produce a hefty amount of rain for the northeast. So your future weather shows that there isn't really going to be anything going on overnight and even into tomorrow morning. Although, as we get into later tomorrow, we notice that clouds are going to start building from west to east, and then by the evening, we notice that we have a thin band of snow in the northern tier of the state. This is all leading towards the storm system that's going to come together late tomorrow night and into Saturday morning. By 6 a.m., the eastern portion of the state is dealing with a deluge of very heavy, moderate rain. And then after that, it's going to pull out by about mid-afternoon, in early evening on Saturday, and then it's going to move out into the New England area where the mountains are going to get a lot of snow, more than a foot of snow in the New England area, and then maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain in our area, specifically in the eastern portions of the state. As we get into Sunday, there isn't really much going on either. It's pretty nice day on Sunday. And then as we get into Monday, it's also going to be pretty nice as well, as we await the next storm system over here forming in the Great Plains. That'll be coming in later in the week. So for today in State College, we have a high of 38 degrees, flurries early, mostly sunny in the afternoon, with winds coming from the west-northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And then for tonight, we have a low of 21 degrees, chilly and mostly clear, with winds coming from the north-northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then for tomorrow in State College, we have a high of 48 degrees, breezy, and it's warming up a little bit, closer to average, with winds coming from the south-southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. So your 7-day forecast shows that today it's going to be pretty chilly, although we do notice that temperatures are going to increase as we progress through the end of the week and into early next week. We have a chance of rain in the first half of the weekend on Saturday, and then after that, on Sunday, it's going to be much nicer with temperatures closer to average. And then we do notice that temperatures next week are also going to be above average, but it's also going to get a little bit cloudier as we await the next storm system from the west, with temperatures in the mid-50s and lows approaching 40 degrees. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Patrick Dela Rosa. Have an amazing Thursday afternoon.